So I got and bought myself the SteelSeries Diablo 4 themed mouse, and I've noticed it's gone out of stock, and this one arrived today, so obviously I'm very lucky to get one. I think I got a hit on the hands with this mouse. It looks, I can't remember what it was called again. I'll go and put a link up, but you can get the same mouse. It's been out a while now. That's my shipping notice. It's been out a while now, and for a few quid less. And I thought, well, I'm not literally going to pay a lot of extra money for a mouse that you can get the same version. But so I had a look at it, and it is actually quite different in style and looks from the mouse it's actually based on. So let's get it out the bag, and I'll go through the different options in a minute. But I'm really pleased with this. Oh yeah, so it's an Aerox 5 wireless, and I thought, well, what's the difference? So all the holes and pattern design on here is different, and also there's a grip on the edge of each mouse button, so it does look completely different from the initial original release mouse. Aerox 5. The mouse I currently got is wearing out, and I've been looking for a new one, and it's this is a wireless one. My current one is wired, so the box is absolutely fantastic, and I quite like the look of it. So I'm just going to try and get the house out. Come on, out you come. So it's a nice tight fit. Ooh. I'll be careful. I don't know why. I mean, as you probably guessed, I'm actually going to be playing Diablo 4 when it comes out, and that's what it looks like in the box. Okay, and yes, you can see all the, if you look into it, you can see all the circuitry and stuff. Let's get the mouse out. Oh yeah, okay. So you get the mouse. Okay, with a box. Oh, welcome to hell. Nice. Okay, so that's your code that's on the back of here. Obviously I'm not going to show it, but that's for your in-game mount accessory. Okay, so there's the charging cable. Well, hey, tell you what, that is really nice. That's actually, I know I've had braided cable before, but that feels really good. It's like soft. Just going to wrap that around there. Get out of the way. So it feels really soft, that does. It's quite thick as well, and very floppy. It looks like it's obviously designed not to clag if you're using it wired, but it's actually quite a long, isn't it? What's that? So it's like 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, I think it'll be about 5, 6 feet. It's pretty cool. Diablo 4 edition. So it says it inside as well, so they obviously printed everything. Right. Oh, okay, so there's a nice mouse there. Nice click. See that? That feels good there, nice. It's very light. And this is what I was saying about the pattern on the, the moulding on the side here. So all these holes are different, as I said before, and that's going to feel quite nice with your fingers inside. And it's also got a spine kind of look and feel in the mouse button there. Okay, don't know if you can see that. So it's like a spinal column, and you got a nice pattern all inside there. Oh, right, okay, I see. So there was thought about a rocking, so this top button here doesn't push in, it goes up and down. Oh, I like that. So you can lift it up, push it down, lift it up and push it down, and then you've got these two buttons here, and you've got this button. Brilliant. And the current mouse I got has only got two side buttons, and you kind of, at the moment, I'm kind of having to hold down one to then fire, so I'm not moving. I know there's an option you can turn off, so it's good to have this extra button. Oh, nice, and that's nice and clicky. So it's now off. Okay, that's good. So you've got a 2.4 hertz. Oh, nice. So this is what it looks like when you first turn it on. All right, and then you've got a Bluetooth option as well. Oh, how cool is that? So you can see the lighting underneath is absolutely excellent. The holes, and again it's different. It's 2.4G. So okay, so that's what else we've got in here. This is quite heavy. So what's in this? Aha, right, okay. So okay, I'll find out what that is in a minute. This is the okay, so that's your 2.4 hertz streaming. It's nice. So what is this? So this looks like it's almost like an extender. So that's USB-C. Both sides of that. Can't imagine that goes in there. So what is that? So that's a Type-C wireless dongle. Okay. An extension adapter. So yes, so that's an extension adapter. Oh, that's pretty cool. So you can obviously have even longer. 8. True air sensor. Ooh. So I'm gonna have this set up and configured. And any questions? But let's say we're on the 2.4G. I like how it does the Wi-Fi on that, and then with Bluetooth. That's just really cool. And it does extremely light. I can't. There's no weight to it at all. That's going to help out for hours. And obviously, I don't know about you, but when you hold these mice for a long time, they do get sweaty, and that's going to air it out. Apparently they've got a coating in there. Fine, but yeah, quite pleased with that. So you've got your side button 2, that's what they call it, side button 3 up. Oh right, okay, they call that the side button. So you can go up, you can click that up and down, scroll it. Side button 4 is this one. The super mesh data cable. That's what this is. Super mesh. Wireless dongle and extension. Brilliant. So the one end obviously is USB 3. USB if you like, and that's USB 3C, which then obviously that goes into the mouse for charging. Yeah, it goes in nice and easy, so you can use it. I like how that's a extension cable. And I'm going to install this and see how we get on. So it goes up to colour indicator. Okay. So any questions? Let me know. But it's a beautiful box. Yeah, it's got that featherweight, like 76 grams. 9 programmable buttons, Quantum 2 wireless, lag-free performance for over 180 hours, a battery life versus 2.4 gigahertz or Bluetooth 5, aqua barrier protection, built for durability and IP54 rating, providing resistance to water, dust and more. I wonder what the "and more" is. And so yes, it's a really thick-sided box. I'm quite impressed. SteelSeries, yes.